What do you do when a native English speaker uses a crazy expression and you can't understand? You have to study the expression in context. I'm here to help. Welcome to Everything English with John, the #1 place for YouTube English lessons. I'm John, and today we're going to study common expressions in English. Throw in the towel. Laura and James are playing a video game together. They have been trying to beat a difficult level for hours. I think these developers must have been crazy. No kidding. This game is so challenging. This level is driving me crazy. We've tried so many times and still can't beat it. Yeah, it's definitely a tough one. But we've come so far. I don't want to give up now. I know, but it's getting late and I'm tired. Maybe we should try it another day. All right, let's give it one more shot tonight. If it doesn't work, then maybe it's time to throw in the towel for tonight. Quiz time! What does throw in the towel mean? Throwing a real towel? Forming a new strategy? Cleaning up a mess? Giving up? Please pause the video and answer the question. That's right, it's D. Giving up. Teaching moment. This expression probably comes from boxing, when the coach would throw a towel into the ring to signal the defeat of the boxer. After so much time in our language, it became a common expression for giving up or surrendering. Examples. After trying to fix the old car for months, John finally threw in the towel and bought a new one. The boxer was exhausted and knew he couldn't win, so his coach decided to throw in the towel. The team was losing badly, but they refused to throw in the towel and kept playing until the end. Vocabulary extras. Rewatch the video to catch the vocabulary. They must have been crazy. They were definitely crazy. Driving me crazy. Making me crazy. Beat the game. Win the game or defeat. Give it a shot. Try it. Thanks for watching Everything English with John. Please like, share, and subscribe. For more information or private classes, please visit my site, everythingenglishwithjohn.com.